Hello everyone, Professor D here. Today we're going to talk about calendar, and calendar is going to meet with Google Meet. Google Meet is a video conferencing tool that we're going to use. But first, let's set an event in Google Calendar. So we're going to go to our 9 dots, which is also known as Google Apps. We're going to click on the calendar. Today is the 25th, and it is Memorial Day, and it's about 10 o'clock today, and this little red line is telling us about what time it is. So I'm going to double click into this particular time slot, and I'm going to say this is a web design meeting. Okay, and I'm going to say it's from 10 to 11. It's only one event. I do not want to email notification. I want to be notified 10 minutes before the meeting. I can set the notification for hours, days, or weeks. I am busy, and I do want to create an attachment. So last class I told you that we could have an attachment, but we did not create the attachment. So today we're going to create the attachment. So I'm clicking on the attachment command. I'm going to go to my drive. So I'm clicking on my drive. I'm going to double click on the attachment, which in this case is the family letter. You can see that the family letter is attached to the meeting. And I'm going to put a description. This is the attachment for our meeting today. And I'm going to say thank you, Professor D. Now I'm going to add guests to this meeting. So I'm going to add one person, and you see I have myself as the organizer and one other person. I do not want this person to modify my event, and I do not want this person to invite others, so I'm going to disable that check mark. But the guests can see the guest list. All right? So I'm going to say save. And I'm not going to send any information or any invitation to this particular guest. Okay? Now you can see the event is created. Now we're going to go back to Google Apps, and we're going to click on Google Meet. And you can see that our meeting is right here. Now I have to tell you that I did get on my mobile device a notification that it was a web design meeting from 10 to 11 today. So I just want you to know that, and it does have the details in it as well. So I'm going to click on now, and you can see immediately it's asking for permission to my microphone, so I have to allow that. And you can see that it's picking up, Google Meet is picking up my voice. This is my microphone. I can turn it off or I can turn it on. And this is my camera. I can turn it off or turn it on. Now, right at this particular time, I haven't even joined the meeting. So I have to click on join the meeting in order to join. So I'm joining the meeting. And I can see that I have, if I want to, I can turn on the captions. So I'm going to click this to turn on the captions. And now you can see that whatever I say, it is typing exactly what I say. I'm still not presenting at this particular time. I can turn off the microphone here if I want to, and turn it off, and I'm going to turn it back on. So my microphone is back on now. I can also turn off my camera if I want to. And I can go over here to Web Design Meeting, and I see that I have this attachment command. And I'm going to click the arrow. So I'm clicking the arrow, and under the Design tab, it tells me what type of meeting it is. It gives me the message. It also gives me, my name, the time and date of the meeting. If I want to copy this URL to invite more guests, I could do that. Now, let's look under attachments. It says I have one attachment. I'm clicking on the attachment, and this is my attachment. So if I want to collaborate with another person, we can look at the same document at the same time, and then we could discuss that and make the appropriate changes. All right. So I'm still not presenting yet. So I just want you to know that. If I go up top, it says that I have one person in the meeting, and that is me. If I wanted to add people, I could add people here. Okay, put in their email addresses, and let me click off of that because I don't want my folks' emails to be worldwide. If I want to chat with people, I can chat and go down at the bottom and say that I was meeting with 20 people. I wouldn't want everyone's microphone to be on. So I would ask everyone to have their microphone off, and then I would do the presentation, and then they can ask questions here. Okay, because they will have this as well. All right, so now I'm ready to present. So I'm going to click on present now. So I'm clicking on present now. I want to present a specific window, not the entire screen. So I'm clicking on a window. And it's asking me, which window do you want us to Google Meet to give you? So I'm in Firefox. I'm not using Chrome. I'm using Firefox. So I'm going to click the drop down arrow, and I'm going to say, I want you to show me Google Calendar PowerPoint. So, and I'm going to allow Google Meets to see the PowerPoint. So it says you are presenting your screen, but I have to go up and click presentation. So now everyone is seeing this presentation, and what's happening at this point, I can continue to present if that's what I want to do. So this is so easy to use Google Meet. It's a free tool for everyone to use. I do want to show you one other aspect of this particular tool. If I click on these three buttons, which happens to be more options, I can change the layout if I want to. So let's say that I have 10 people that are going to be in this meeting. So if there 10 people are going to be in this meeting and I want to see every face, then I would click right here on this. If 4 people were going to be in this meeting and I want to see every face, then this is where I would click. Okay, right now I'm in auto mode, but that's fine because what I'm doing in this particular presentation is that I'm presenting. All right, so I'll see you all in the next lesson. Bye-bye. Have a good day.